Hey everybody! Better late than never, right? We had a daughter who was going off to prom, and she said, "Oh, well, I'm going by 3." And I'm like, "All right, well, I'll delay my stream a little bit." And it got to like 3:30, and I'm like, "Okay, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and start." Hey Rock, how's it going? Hey everybody. And then she came down and was about to leave right as the first Fries Quest was over, and I'm like, "Okay, I'll just play 2 Fries Quests and then we'll start." And so she's gone now. She's off to prom. But we just wanted to see her off. Hey, Scorpio. I hope everyone's had a good Saturday so far. I checked in for my flight, so 24 hours from now I will be on my way to Finland via Chicago. So actually my flight to Chicago. I'll still be I'll still be in the air right now tomorrow. So you're still very sick? Oh, well, I hope you feel better soon. You have a bit of good news. I'll be back in social health. Okay, cool. Nice. Cool, Rock. I'm glad that's getting better. Well, I feel like we're getting close to the end. I feel like we're in the last area. I don't know how long it's going to take us to get through Bowser's Castle, but I feel like we're in the last area of Super Mario and Luigi Superstar Saga. So maybe we'll finish this tonight or today and start Super Mario Land 2 on the Game Boy, which will just be taking one cartridge in and putting the next cartridge out and one in. So no need to switch consoles and stuff like that. Although I think I need to switch my aspect ratio because, Game Boy Advance was kind of it was a real wide aspect ratio where Game Boy is like square. So, hey Pass, how's it going? All right. As always, we can take a break and play a game like Discs of Tron off of the arcade machine. It does not have to be Discs of Tron. It can be any of the games on that arcade list, and if I beat the high score, I'll put your name on the high score list to reach Bowser in the game. I don't know either. Well, I guess we'll find out. We got a little bit in, and then I was like, it's almost time to quit last night, so. Did you want me to? All right. Well, Neil, do you want to come talk with everyone? So your crazy hair. Yeah, Neil was about to go take a shower, so he can go. He can see his crazy hair, pre-shower hair. Did you just make it worse?
I'm unclean. I need to shower. Hello. Yeah, it does all kinds of crazy shit. I was here yesterday, I think.
You were here yesterday?
Yeah. I was off and on. I'm a little off and on. It looks like your hair. Well, I when I sleep it goes all crazy, and then I shower and fix it. I just haven't had a chance to show. We have a septic tank, and they were supposed to pump it out today, and of course they didn't come, so we're all weird about not putting too many things down the drain at once, because that leads to bad circumstances, which we don't want to have. Which is why we called them to pump it at the beginning of the week, and it was supposed to happen yesterday. And now it's happening tomorrow, supposedly. Allegedly. It's allegedly happening. Yes, my crazy hair.
I don't even want to stay down.
What little hair I have left it's always been like this. So, I used to have more of it. I don't anymore. But anyway, he's in his Bowser suit, so that's enough of me. My hair is amazing? No, it's not. It is not amazing. It's missing.
But you can't. That's true. Yeah, you can't tell as long as you don't look in a mirror. So, bald is beautiful, said Lemon Square says.
So, about that, like, a lot of people would just shave their head or something. But when I was about 26, I had a skin cancer removed, and now I have a dent in my head where they did that.
Oh.
So I would look weird, I think, if I shaved my head because it's not round.
I think right now your hair looks fine because
Yeah,
you're not doing a comb over. You have hair in the front. You just don't have hair in the back.
the front is thinning though, so I'm worried
Yeah.
it's gonna go away eventually.
it might go away eventually. Yeah,
But I haven't decided if I'm so vain that I should get like Rogaine or something.
Rogaine.
I don't really feel that vain. And then I always think of that episode of The Simpsons where he used Rogaine and then he quit and he lost all of his hair.
That's right. I forgot about that. Oh, that's right. There was something right there. Oh, well, we could do this. Crap. Shit. This is not a good start. Oh my goodness. Not a good start at all. Yeah, Bowletta's castle, I guess, technically. Oh, he was tripped up. Oh, that's not fair. Mario. My timing is so off. There we go. I was like, can I please at least just do something? Too early. Too late. I don't know how much. Well, let's look and see how much money I blew all my money. Yeah, let's take a look. We'll take a look in a second. Come on. I guess I could get some more. How am I so off on that? Terrible. So I have I got about 21 mushrooms, 11 nuts, 12 mushrooms, and the golden mushroom. It's not too bad. I have 431 gold. I guess I could go back. Well, I'd rather go back now while I'm not... Oh, shit. Well, I'm not that far off, you know? Or far away from the entrance. Where's the there's got to be a pipe here, right? I don't remember where the pipe is. What's that? What if I were to...
Let's go! Hammer! Fire!
I wanted to catch their thing on fire. Is this the right way to go? Why can't he fly me back to the castle? Here it is. This is actually the way. Or not. Look at that. I got another mushroom. Well, at least we're getting a lot of gold coins. I should have gone that way. Where are we?
Okie dokie. Let's go!
Huh. That looks like a bridge you can do, but I can't see anything that would activate it.
Okie dokie.
Hmm. Hmm.
Let's go! Okie dokie.
Or is this where we came from? Where we came from? Hmm.
Okie dokie. Let's go. Hi.
Okay. Oh, okay. I see where we're at. Yeah, this because yeah, Bowser was stuck right there. Yeah. Well, you know what? There's a pipe. There's a pipe this way.
Let's go.
Oh, great. I think it's this way.
Okie dokie. Yeah. Let's go.
Great.
Okie dokie.
It's probably faster to go the other way.
Let's go.
Yeah. I wish the fast travel was easier. Close to the border jump game. Okay. I don't remember. The problem is that it's been so long since I've been here that I don't remember how to traverse all this.
Okie dokie.
Yeah, okay. I've just gone in circles. Can I go up here? No. What have I done?
Let's go. Okie dokie.
Came from there. Can't go that way.
Okie dokie.
Hmm. Yeah, where is it? This is where I came from. Go left. Yeah, but I can't go that way. Can't go that way though. Crap.
Let's go.
Did you win Fry's Quest? Y'all did win Fry's Quest. Happy Saturday to you too. The north? Yeah. Yes, okay. This is what I was looking for. Yeah, and then up. And then go up again? Like this way? No. Is it this way? Hmm. There we go. This way? Yeah, now I think I know where I'm at. Yeah, it's just right here. Like right here. But see, we never... I guess it was 2 that was where I was supposed to go. All right. So you think? Let's see. We have 6 1-up mushrooms. Let's get. We'll get. God, they're expensive. We'll get 4 more to make 10, and then let's get 4 super mushrooms to make 20. We'll get 1 super nut. How much super syrup? And we'll get 2 more 1-ups. Gives us 40. Get 1 more super mushroom. Took a shower. Nice. Hope you're feeling better. Showers usually make me feel better. We could probably sell some stuff. It's a good call. Thing is there's just not that much, like, I mean, I guess we could sell these home, made back home from Koopa shells, broom bells. That's, and the heart slacks. We're not using those. Yeah. And the bean badge. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I agree. We'll get 3 more of those. That brings us up to 15. That brings us to 30 super mushrooms. Guess we'll get one more. All right. Feel like we've got we got lots of stuff.
Okie dokie.
Whoops.
Let's go. Alright.
They have packed so much into the button schemes. So much into these button schemes. Let's go up. We made it down. Oh, look at this. What's over here? Have we already been over here?
Okie dokie. Fire. Thunder. Let's go. Fire.
I guess either we've already done it or it's not activated or whatever. Whatevs. Oh, interesting.
Alright. Hammer. Thunder.
Oh, there's that. Oh my goodness, that's the bridge from earlier. Remember how I said the bridge? I have no way of activating this. That's hilarious.
Okie dokie. Let's go. Alright. Hammer.
I think it was this way.
Okie dokie. Let's go. Alright. Hammer.
That's right. Can't talk to his back. You gotta talk to his front. And he's a pretty strong pterodactyl, being able to carry two Italian plumbers all the way back down. Uh-oh. Well, here's a problem. The monsters have all respawned.
Okie dokie. Oh no! Oh.
We're gonna have to. We're gonna have to nut. Here, we'll just single nut. Although that may be not enough for Luigi.
Oh.
I just can't seem to time that. Oh, and he's stunned. Oh my goodness, I'm already using him.
Luigi. Oh.
Come on. Why does the timing on those have to be so precise? It's crazy. Oh, you know what? Here's a problem. I'm sitting here watching. I'm not even watching the right monitor. Although it doesn't seem to be helping. I'm sitting here watching OBS. Well, I feel like I should just reset. Like, what am I doing? I still can't seem to hit them. Well, I did that time.
Oh.
Finally. Crap. There, I got better. I don't think the ghosts have much hit points. Yeah. Yeah, ghosts are pretty easy. Great, I gotta do it again. Yeah. I was trying to do it really quick. What was that? Oh, why did I fall? Is he's in the way? I guess I can kind of do that. Wow, okay. Oh, fuck. Mario! Okay, I see the difference. He's either going to hit him on the back or the head. And if he hits him on the head, it's going to be a bullet. And if he hits him on the back, it's going to be a bowling ball. Didn't seem to help. Oh, I see. I can't brother because he's all crazy. I don't know why I did that as solo. Right. That's Iggy's room. Oh, does that mean we have to fight every single one of the Koopa kids? Oh my goodness, it's gonna have to do it over again? Oh my goodness. Why go through the sequence again? Why make me go watch the sequence again? Come on. Roll up my sleeves. Okay, so up. The down is right. I don't know what we're supposed to do. Okay. I just had to get to him. All right. Crap. There we go. Shit! Hopefully it didn't kill Mario. There we go. I feel like I've done a lot of damage to this guy. There we go. I was gonna say, I mean, I feel like I've done a lot of damage. Oh, it gave me a max mushroom. That's nice. Okay, let's save again. So is that, I guess I have to go out. Oh, no I don't. The warp. What's this way? Oh, that's a jump up. Of course it is. I feel like you should be able to jump over that. Oh, that's right. I meant to take some syrup. Why can't I take any syrup? Just because he's or did I? Oh, maybe I guess I must have somehow healed. Yes. I just want to kill that one. I have no confidence in myself. Crap! Hola! He's been doing okay, Jay. I've been playing this for a while. This is like I'm going on almost 3 weeks playing it. I wouldn't call it short. And it's Bowletta's castle. Hold on. This is my... Now, it's tough because there's stream time and then there's game time, right? Because we play arcade mode. We play Fry's Quest. So, this is my 12th or 13th stream. And I usually stream for 4 hours. So, we're looking at... quite a bit, maybe 30 hours of streaming so far. I could look a little bit. I think it has it on the save menu. Next time I save, we can look and see how much I've actually played. Oh, come on. Those aren't saved, yeah. Or resetting, yeah. Game overs. Crap. I didn't look at the shadow.
Oh no!
Holy shit. Can I burn them? I didn't do much. Shit.
Oh. Luigi!
It's tough because this is the first time I've fought them, so I don't know. I don't know what it's like. Oh! That's not fair. Not fair! I'm just gonna have to super mushroom again. Felt like... Yeah.
Mamma mia!
Are you out of 1-ups? No, I have plenty of 1-ups, but if I have 5 health, I guess you're right. I'd rather not use up all my 1-ups right in that situation. We just saved, so we're not that far back. There you go. 31 hours, 50 minutes. I need a pee. So that's why we're taking a break. Exclamation mark join if you'd like to play some Fry's Quest. I need to take a break. I'll open it up here in a second if there's no new players. If there's any new players that want to play, get in before I unlock it for all the old players or from the players from the last game. Arrgh. There we go. Anyone can go ahead and join in.
Welcome to Neil's Deals. Where else you gonna go? Oh, I see you're buying a potion. It might prevent death. Side effects might include growing mushrooms and warts and
Ready
loss
for
of
battle.
sensation in naughty places.
While I'm away, I should make Neil
You buying
There's a-
that? You're braver than I thought.
a bunch of lines I
Looking
need
for
Neil to
action.
record. I should get him to record them.
No refunds, no exchanges.
Ready
You'll
for
need
battle.
35,146 experience points. Hopefully you can get that today.
Don't you know who my husband is? Get out of here!
All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. See you soon.
Welcome to Neil's Deals. Where else you gonna go?
Ready for battle.
Ready for action.
Those monsters stole me Lucky Charms!
Time's up. Have fun watching the floor. Welcome to Neil's Deals. Where else you gonna go?
Those monsters stole me Lucky Charms!
Ready for action. Ready for battle.
I used to be an adventurer like you until I took an arrow in the knee.
Oceanic with the fry. Congrats. All right.
Let's go.
Get readjusted. All right, here we go. Oh wait, no, we had to. If we go through this. Yeah, see, we got fully healed after that boss fight. Something happened there. This way. Right.
Oh no.
Here we go. That's tough. Because you got two going at the same time. Shit. Ah! Ah! That bitch. Yeah, it doesn't seem like you can double jump there either, too. Maybe you're supposed to land on them? I don't know. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Stupid healing. Only I should be able to heal. Oh, come on. Whose room is this? It's Morton's room.
Let's go.
Ah, two. Um, I mean, these have been working, so I'm just gonna keep these. Keep doing these. I felt like I jumped there. Guess not. Poor Mario. Alright, we may have to use one of our... Got a lot of super mushrooms, so let's keep using those. There we go. Yeah, I figured the number of times he spins is the number of shock waves that are going to come out. Yeah. All right. Now I'm curious to see if oh, it gave me some max nuts. I'm curious to see if it heals me again. Go with hit points. You can never use more hit points. All right, 90. All right, let's go. Go save real quick. Well, let's see. Yep, it healed me again. They probably found that, like, this area was too hard. And so they decided to have you heal after each one. Oh, there it goes. I was gonna say, isn't this just taking me to the
Oh no.
No, I can't do that. All right. Aha! I was ready. Oh, come on. Oh, I missed it. I screwed that up. Oh, come on. That was worthless. Oh, didn't we find... You know what? I just remembered what we found out was... The hand magic was better. Oh, or maybe not. Crap. There we go. Ah.
Okie dokie. Let's go. Alright, hammer. Okie dokie. Hammer.
Okay, next one. Ah.
Let's go. Thunder up. Alright. Hammer.
I don't know if we need coins now, but unless they're gonna allow us to go back and spend the coins before we attack Bowletta. $17 wasn't too bad. That was weird. Was not expecting that. Oh, I see.
Okie dokie. Let's go. Alright. Okie dokie. Let's go. Let's go. Okie dokie.
Crap. Shit. That's... Ooh, 42. There, we got it. Oh, come on!
They're attacking you with telescopes?
They're cannons.
Cannons are usually smaller at the tips than...
Yeah. Well, it looks like they're mouth powered. Maybe?
Maybe. That's gross.
fell.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie.
I think it's just because I'm worried that that stretch isn't far close enough or something.
Okie dokie.
Another save. It's Lemmy's room. Okay. Was this just chance? Because I'm sitting here watching him. Gotta look really close. Yeah, I still think he's this one. All right, let me look at him. Maybe there's a way to differentiate them. They look all the same. There, I did it. Ah,
Okie dokie.
that's crazy. Oh no, he's just gonna do this the whole time. Oh, that was him. Yeah, I did it again. Shit, why did I do it so early? Uh-oh, here we go again. Yeah, kind of revealed himself with that one. Syrup do we have left? Ah, we got plenty of syrup. Oh well. Oh, we know which one it is now. He revealed himself when he attacked. Crap. Oh. Yeah, I think that was... Oh, it wasn't right. But I got lucky. Okay. Healed us. Alright, let's save. Hey, Zach. Yeah. Yeah, they did. You know what? They did an awesome job with the animations and stuff in this game. I am. Huh. Oh, I can go through there. Oh. Well, that's weird. Why would they... Oh, I see. I did turn him off. I just didn't realize what I was doing.
Okie dokie. Let's go. Alright.
Here. That's probably gonna light up after this fight, I would assume. Yeah, they go at different speeds too, which is tough. Oh, shit. That isn't what I want to do. Yeah, that was it. You got to double jump them. What you got to do. Maybe that's why they're... Oh, crap. Maybe that's why they're mad at me? Dang it. Shit. This is why I'm trying to destroy her. Of course. There you go. He does not like that. All right, we'll have to remember that for next time. Okay. I see. I know, I heard. Yeah, I can't think of anything I need to buy off of them. I've been just kind of assuming that they're kind of gone at this point. I figured we had to water the plants. Maybe not. Piranha plant pros. When tickled from behind, all water gets spit out. Nothing in particular. From behind. Obviously, we need to solve this so the door won't open. When tickled from behind, all water gets spit out.
Thunder. Hammer. Thunder. Hammer. Thunder. Fire.
Oh, you thinking? Oh, I see what I'm supposed to do. Tickle Mario from behind. Of course. Of course. And it's 3 of them. Great. Definitely not worth it. Definitely not worth it. Too early. Not very fair. Not very fair. You know, I was saying, oh, I'm not leveling up fast enough. I'm not jumping early enough. I guess what I could do is one up. And then Luigi. Oh, Luigi didn't get to attack. Normally, Luigi gets to attack. Ah. 54.
No! Mario! No. Mamma mia.
I don't think I'm that far back.
Let's go.
Yeah. Thank you.
Alright, hammer.
Oh.
Thunder. Alright. Oh no.
Ah, try to get past them. Too early. Oh, come on, I didn't get it. Come on. Thanks for following. Hope you're having a good weekend so far. Ah, come on.
I'm sorry.
What are you sorry about?
Am I looking at this correctly? Is a bullet holding a gun?
Yeah, it's the bullet holding a gun that shoots a bullet and shoots itself. I was waiting for you to comment about that.
Okay. I mean,
Yeah, he's like a sniper.
I don't think that's the way it works.
Yeah, he's Sniper Bill. Because usually those are bullet bills. He's a Sniper Bill. I keep missing him. It's funny because I was perfect at these. And then now I can't seem to get them at all. The Super Scope? I don't remember the Super Scope. What was that from? Oh, the old... Yes, I know what you're talking about now. Yes, I know what you're talking about. The Super Scope from the NES. Yes, the gun. Yes, I do remember that now. And you're right, he is. He's holding a Super Scope. He's totally holding that. So, Neil, look up the NES Super Scope. And that's a deep cut. I was saying that's one of the things I liked about this.
That was from Super Nintendo.
Oh, was that the Super Nintendo?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So does it look just like that?
Kind of, but not really. This is what it looks like.
Okay, yeah, I think it's supposed to be it. The Magic Koopas are known for being a pain in the ass. Yeah, they are. Thought I landed right on it.
It was Super Nintendo Super Scope 6.
It's the healing that really makes him a pain in the butt. Finally. There we go. Oh, it heals. Fire heals him. Way too early. Way too early. I see these are little Bowsers. Guess I can't get more water. If I remember right, it was... Unless this is like a... Fuck. Ah! Oh, it's new ones. I don't know what these are. Shit. Yeah. Luigi. I feel like I did that right. Yes, I didn't. Oh, now he doesn't have a thing. I should have just... Okay, good. I was gonna say I should have nutted.
I'm not going to comment.
Yeah. Is he gonna go get a new one? Or did he leave? Did he leave the battlefield? We can hope that he left. He got his thing back. See if he likes fire. Oh, that heals him. Let's see if he likes electricity. Does not like electricity. He's like, why? There we go. That was better. I just read what you wrote. Play it back up. Alright, let's play some Fries Quest. Exclamation mark join if you want to play some Fries Quest. I will unlock it for for last players. All right, Shipwreck. Shipwreck.
Welcome to Neil Steele.
How's it going,
We're
Shipwreck?
fresh out of lore.
Happy Saturday. What you eating?
Pretzel.
The little, what was left of the pretzels?
We had a bag of.
Oh, okay. Put them in the thing. Yeah. You want pretzels now? These pretzels are making me thirsty.
Today is a good day to fry.
They're pretzel rods.
Yeah. All right, if you played last game, you can go ahead and join in too.
Shop's closed.
Ooh, just in
Have
time.
fun counting sheep.
Scorpio. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
We're having a special today. On nothing.
Those monsters stole me Lucky Charms!
Ready for battle.
Today is a good day to fry.
Ready for battle.
Give 'em hell, kiddo. We're having a special today. On nothing. I reformulated my potions with 25% less lead.
Ready for action.
Those monsters stole me Lucky Charms!
Ready for battle.
Good luck. You'll certainly need it.
Shipwreck with the win. What was it? 46%. So yeah, I would hope with 46% chance. Oceanic, you can level up now with that. Yeah, congrats, Shipwreck. There you go. +7. Good, good. Sure. Level 9. All right. Thank you. I was eating an ice cream cone. A drumstick ice cream cone. Uh-oh.
That thing wearing a bra on its head?
Nah, it's...
Your friends know to wear a bra on your
He's supposed to be like Mozart or whatever. What's his
Oh.
name? I can't remember his name right this second.
Beethoven?
It's Beethoven. It's Ludwig. Yeah,
Ludwig von Beethoven?
yeah, it's Ludwig Koopa. What? Oh my god. That's tough when it comes that direction. This is annoying. Because if you do them together, you can't jump. If you screw it up, you can't jump again. Like that. Okay, where'd he go?
Let's go. Okie
I didn't know it was supposed to be Leopold. Leopold! Sorry, Flaming Baguette. Well, yeah, it could be Ludwig von Beethoven, or you could say it's Leopold Stokowski. This is a conductor.
Well, his name's Ludwig, though.
No, I get that.
Okay.
It's more like
It's
Einstein's
terrible.
hairdo, really. Yeah, why did they give him little nipples if it's not supposed to be a bra?
Yeah, I know. You can definitely see the nipples.
I mean, here's a picture of Leopold here who has this hair.
Yeah. Brawig von Koopa.
And that was the conductor who was in Fantasia.
Ah. Yeah, you're not gonna do much more damage. He's dead. There we go. Missed. There we go. Finally a level up. Yeah, I kind of knew that was going to happen. Save. I don't think I can do that.
Let's go. Okie dokie.
Right. There we go. Got one of them. Ow. Hey, Justin. How are you doing? How's your Saturday going?
Hey, Justin.
At the cabin. Nice. I didn't realize y'all were renting a cabin. Cool.
I didn't know you had a second home. Usually, like, a cabin is in the mountains. There aren't really any mountains in Oklahoma, are there?
That's true. Maybe they went somewhere. It's for the eclipse. Nice. Yeah, you know, my daughter was talking about the eclipse, and I realized I'm not going to be here. I'm going to be in Finland, and so I won't be able to see it. So, by a lake.
A lake cabin.
There's lakes in Oklahoma. I assumed it was just all desert.
No, they grow things there.
They grow things there. I thought it was all barren. Hundreds of lakes. Right.
I mean, there are hundreds of lakes here.
Yeah. Well, there's lakes everywhere here in Florida.
Really, they're just all sinkholes, but
Yeah. Some people call them lakes, but they're really just sinkholes. Yes.
Okie dokie. Hammer. Yeah, big hammer.
Okay. Go that way.
Thunder. Yeah.
Oh. Okay, now I know what these do.
where's Mario? Kill him? Oh, no, there.
No, I did not kill Mario. Gotta be something I can do as Luigi. Not look like there is. I can't walk on that. Hmm.
Okie dokie.
Oh, yeah, of course. I can. Yeah, I can go here. And that switch. Ha! And then I can get out. And now we probably need to hit this switch, so. Meow. Well, I hope you have a fun time there at the cabin.
Yes, please have a good time and don't stare directly at the eclipse unguarded. Use some protective glasses or that shoebox thing that we made as kids. Don't be like our ex-president.
Need to jump across. Crap, I fell. Where am I trying to go? I'm not even sure where I'm supposed to go here. Or if I can just... Ah, I missed it. Go this way?
Let's go. Oh.
This is not gonna end well. This is gonna game over. Because now I can't use items. Can I just run? Oh no! Oh wait, we should where am I supposed to go? Oh, I bet you I'm supposed to go jump there, then jump over there. Okay. Out of my way, Luigi. I'm gonna do this direction. This seems to have less ghosts. Less chance of ghosts. This is not an easy jump. Why did they do it this way? Why would you do that? I'm sure this is where I'm supposed to go. I'm looking. Yeah, and then across there.
The weirdest noise I've heard.
The weirdest... Yeah, you cut off right there at the end.
The weirdest noise I've ever heard come out of your mouth.
What?
whatever that sound was you just made when you
I don't know
didn't
what I
like-
made.
It was bizarre.
Oh, great. Just say, don't take me too far back. Okay. Why? Oh, I see. Oh man. Alright, so we need to go back this way. Because there's all kinds of stuff this way. Ultra nut and an ultra mushroom. Oh, and then I have to do it again. This is hilarious. Sorry, but the princess is in another castle.
Okie dokie. Fire! Let's go. Thunder. Jump. Aye.
Roy's room. Second. All right. I don't think we're finishing this game tonight. Or today. Okay. Okay. I knew it was something was gonna happen. When the number on the face of the time bomb, Bob-omb, reaches 0, it's game over for you. Defeat the Koopling before the number reaches 0. Oh my god. That's not gonna help. Jets. Whew. It's game over anyway. I didn't need a bomb to do game over.
Let's go.
Oh, great. We gotta do this again. Not that this was hard or anything. It was just annoying. I was thinking there was a save right in here. That's why I went in here. Okay, I remember where this is. Is there a save right here? Oh, you know where it is? In case we don't defeat him again, we at least have a good save. Wait.
Let's go. Okie dokie.
I screwed that up. Okay. I knew it. I knew it. All right, another death.
Let's go.
At least I saved. I was like, this is harder than normal. I'm also worried that I'm going to run out of time.
Let's go. Okie dokie.
Ah, excuse me. Not worth it. Crap. Wow, all of a sudden the fireballs got hard. Hey, Zab. This is the one I hate the most. I don't like that he gets so many attacks. It's just not fair. It's going. Why am I not getting that? I'll use an ultra. Nope, nope. Three. Ew. Oh, I know. I thought so too. Whoa. Oh, this is not looking good. All right, well, one more try.
Let's go.
I mean, we are in the last castle. I just didn't know it was going to take so long to get through the last castle. Oops, wrong way.
Let's go.
I know. How many attacks does he get? Not very fair. Poor Luigi. Man, that was close. All right, we're gonna have to super nut.
No.
Oh no. Oh, that's not fair. Wow. I can't believe I avoided that. That's it. 0.
No.
Oh. Boo. Boo. I can't quite do that yet. Hold on. I was just trying to write down that it's Roy's room is where we stopped. I did. That's how about we take a week off? We're gonna continue from last save, but we're actually gonna do that and then save and quit. I guess I could have just hit reset on the machine. Well, I won't be here for a week. Next time we'll see you will be next Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern. So I'm off to Finland tomorrow. I will actually, right now, 24 hours from now, I'll be sitting in the Chicago O'Hare Airport. So if you're also in the Chicago O'Hare Airport, you can find me.
You'll be wearing that onesie.
I'll be wearing this onesie. You'll be able to find me. Thanks, Flaming Baguette. Thanks, Dark Passenger. Thanks, Zap.
I just imagine you going through security in that thing.
During security in my Bowser onesie, I think they might go ahead and
They'd take you
frisk
off.
me.
They take you off to the room.
Exactly. I'll go to the room, search me. If you can't be here live, or if you miss me all week, you can go check out all my material over at YouTube. Over to YouTube, youtube.com/jfriestv. Thank you to all these wonderful, lovely people over here, my subscribers. They get ad-free viewing and all those emotes. Look at all of them. Thank you so much for subscribing. Know what's hiding in that tail? Yeah, exactly. They're like squishing my tail. Thanks, Shipwreck. Yeah, if you want, I will probably post some photos along the way over in the Discord. So if you want to, I don't know, check in with me, go over to the Discord. There's a link to it. Join the JFries Hangout. I don't think it's called, I think I called it JFries TV Plus. I need to change that so it says JFries TV Plus, because I thought that would be funny. Does that change? Discord message.
He says not. He says he's going to eat regular food this time.
Yeah, I probably won't. I was doing that last time as a kind of a, oh, well, I've never eaten bear before. So, I don't know. Maybe not this time. Or a reindeer. I had reindeer and bear. So, Rudolph and a bears.
Do we need to take you down the street and get you some gator too?
Some gator? I've had gator before. Remember at Jill's wedding.
Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, it tastes like rubbery chicken. Or Yogi. I doubt it. Well, that's true. Alright, here's our raid messages. Let's find someone else to go continue our Twitch journey. I'm going to go pack is what I'm heading. Well, I'm going to finish some laundry and then head off to pack. I've already checked in for my flight. But yeah, I'm going to go pack and relax. Pack and relax.
It's actually flights.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm flying from here to Chicago and then getting on a flight late in Chicago, and we'll land Helsinki. I'll be in Helsinki at 2 p.m., but it'll probably be, what, 6 a.m. here or something like that? Something like that. Or 5 a.m. It's math. Math that all out.
Don't get mathy on me. Let's go. You know what? Who is streaming right now is Kurt. He's playing some music. So you see me occasionally wearing that DJ Kurt Joe shirt. He's actually doing some music right now. So we're going to raid Go Big Truck. This channel is intended for mature audiences. Viewers' discretion is advised. He's doing some music, so let's go over there. The road to 1K followers. We hit 600 followers. All right, there we go. Anyway, have a good one. Love you all. See you in a week. Thanks, everyone. Bye. Bye, everybody.